Welcome. How to create a chart from these value, right? These input. And let's go to insert, and you are seeing a chart. Just click that, and you can see here setup, right? And chart type. Just click chart type here, and for example, let's choose column, right? Column chart. So we'll click it, and you can see here data range, that it's A1 is to A19. You can see here 1 to 19, and this is the count column chart, right? SR count is 2, Del count is 4, SP 1, similarly MSI 5, right? So to change the color of these charts, to add the text, right? Everything I have already shown you in the previous video. You can watch those videos, and double click it. You can double click it, right? For example, like this, and you will get the customize options here: chart style, chart and axis title, series. Go to setup, and you can change the data range also. For example, A is to A10, and enter, right? Similar. And you can see here aggregate. When you will not select this, then you have to say that add a series to start visualizing your data. Just click this one, and now let's change the chart style, right? Click column chart, go down. You can see here pie chart, right? Just click this. You are getting it into the pie with percentage. Asus laptop 5.6%, MSI 27.8%. So in this way, you can insert these values in your column count chart or pie chart. This was it for now. There are other videos of spreadsheet in my channel. Okay, thank you very much for watching.